Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3. It should really be part 1. I kind of left out a pretty good example. This thing is like over 23 inches big. If we go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap, and I just prefer converting it to a grayscale, and then if we trace it now at this size, clip art, it's going to take, is it 10, 11 and a half, 13, 14 and a half. It's going to take a long time. So let's cancel that out. Let's reduce this thing by, make it, with our ratio lock, let's make it 10% of the original size. If you do the percent wise, then you know you could, if you need it back to that size. So it's already grayscale, so now we'll go to outline, trace, clip art, and watch how much faster it does it, because you're helping, it's 1/10 the size. Theoretically, it ought to take 1/10 the time, and sometimes it might not. It's still taking a longer time than you would think, because there's a lot of lines in there, but when it catches up, it'll go quite a bit faster, if it's not going to prove me wrong. Now, see, it went 40, 42, and in just a second, it'll be at 100, 50, 80, 95, and it's done. So if I did not do that, it would take a lot longer, and sometimes it doesn't do as good a job on the bigger size. And then, of course, all you have to do is break that apart and start playing with it. And if you really want to be interested in what to where we got to that, watch parts 2 and 3, or 1 and 2. Hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.